Good morning, turkeys. All right, today we have 4th grade lesson 79, 4.MD.1. Use models to compare customary units of liquid volume. Liquid volume is the measure of space a liquid occupies. Some basic units for measuring liquid volume are gallons, half gallons, quarts, pints, cups, and fluid ounces. The table at the right shows the relationship among some units of liquid volume. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. This is the same like as your, I'm going to write this down. This is your milk carton from school. A pint is 2 cups. A quart is 2 pints. A half gallon is 2 quarts. And a whole gallon is 4 quarts. How does the size of a gallon compare to the size of a pint? Use the information in the table. Draw a bar to represent 1 gallon. Okay, so there they drew the bar for 1 gallon. The table shows that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. So I take this and I cut it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are my 4 quarts. The table shows that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints. So if there's 2 pints in each, I should go pew, 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 pew to show my pints. There we go. 2 pints for each of the 4 quarts. Compare the size of 1 gallon to a pint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon. I'm going to write 8 pints in 1 gallon. There we go. So a gallon is 8 times as much as a pint. Draw a model to help. 2 quarts equals how many pints? Okay, so I'm going to draw my pints. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are my quarts. How many pints are in a quart? 2 quarts equals 4 pints. 1 gallon equals how many cups? Well, if we go up here and see there's 2 cups for each pint, if this is my gallon and I had 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts, there's 2 pints in each quart, and there's 2 cups in each pint. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there must be 16 cups in 1 gallon. 1 pint equals how many fluid ounces? Well, if there's 8 ounces in 1 cup, and I have 1 pint, that must mean I have to take 8 ounces times the number of cups. So there's 16 fluid ounces in 1 pint. 3 pints equals how many cups? 1 pint is 2 cups, and I want to know how many cups are in 3 pints. 1 cup, oh no, 2 cups equals 1 pint, and I've got 3 pints. So I need to take 3 times 2, because that's the 2 cups there in each pint. 3 times 2 is 6, so in 3 pints, there must be 6 cups. 3 quarts equals how many cups? Okay, let's back this up here. 2 cups in each pint, 2 pints in each quart. And I have 3 quarts. So 3 times 2 is going to tell me the number of pints. 3 times 4 is going to tell me how many cups. 3 times 4 equals 12, so there must be 12 cups in a quart. If I need to draw a model for this, and I'm sorry I wasn't doing that, okay, let's go back here. 1 pint is 2 cups, so this is the pint. Here's a cup and here's a cup, and there's how many ounces in each cup? There's 8 half, so that's 4. There's 8. 2, 4, 8. So if I count that up, I should have 16 fluid ounces. Okay. I have 3 pints. And this is my pints. 1, 2, 3. And I have 2 cups in each pint. So cut that in half, cut. So cup, 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 cup. 6 cups. All right, so now for my quart. These are my quarts. I have 2 pints in each quart and 2 cups in each pint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cups. Okay. Half gallon equals how many pints? A half gallon is 2 quarts. 1/2 gallon equals 2 quarts. We know that 2 pints equal 1 quart. Okay, so I'm going to draw my half gallon. My half gallon is 2 quarts, so I'm going to cut that in half. So this is my half gallon. This is my quart. And this is my quart. Now, there's 2 pints in each quart, so I'm going to cut those in half. So this is a pint and this is a pint. This is a pint and this is a pint. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pints in a half gallon. All right. On the back side, you are going to complete this. Let's pull the numbers out of the story problems. A chef makes 1.5 gallons of soup in a large pot. How many 1-cup servings can the chef get from this large pot of soup? Okay, so my visual model, I'm going to need 1.5 gallons. Well, I'm going to go back to what I know about a half gallon is 2 quarts, okay? So because I know that, I'm going to make, how many half gallons are in 1.5 gallon? So here's 1 gallon. I'm going to cut it in half, right? So here's a half gallon, here's a half gallon. I need 1 more half gallon. Okay, so I have 3 1/2 gallons. Here's a half gal, half gal, half gallon. Okay, I know that there are 2 quarts in each half gallon, so I'm going to cut those in half. And I've got a quart, a quart, a quart, a quart, a quart, and a quart. I know that there are 2 pints in each quart, so I'm going to cut that in half. So I've got pint, 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 pint. I know there's 2 cups in each pint. Cup, cup. So I'm going to just multiply that by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times 2 is 24. So in 1.5 gallons is equal to 24 cups of soup. Oh my. This would be a great one to do with Legos so that you could build your half gallons and break them apart with your smallest Lego pieces, making up bigger Lego pieces that way. That's how I would do that. Okay, so let's just pull out the stuff here. So 2 quarts, add drink mix to it, give the amount of water in fluid ounces. So quarts down to ounces. So I'm gonna need to remember that in a quart there's 2 pints, in a pint there's 2 cups. So I'm gonna have to do, and then in 8 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna let you try to work out that one on your own. And if you need help, you just let me know.